What's going on, guys? It's me, Nicole Charnel. How you doing? How you doing? If you're new here, thanks for clicking that button and watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you're an old subby, thanks, girl. You know how we roll. You know how we hang, girl. Thank you for watching. So I completed decluttering my closet. So exciting. First, in my last video, I talked about how I removed all the things that I loved, and then I still had too many things. So I went through again and I removed everything that wasn't in my color theme. My color theme is any clothing that I buy is going to stay within this color range. I'm not going to buy anything outside this color range because these colors look good on me and I enjoy wearing these colors. These are the colors that make me feel the most beautiful and the most vibrant and the most feminine. So these are the colors that I've decided to go with, or this scheme is that I decided to go with. I decided to go with black, of course, because black is like my #1 favorite color that I wear. I love wearing black. The second thing I decided to go with is like maroons, burgundies, mauves, those type of colors. So it's like from the lightest of pinks to the darkest of pinks. I feel like burgundy is like a pink, right? It's like a red pink. I mean, it is to me, but that's kind of the color that I went with. Also picked olive. I don't really gravitate, that's a lie. I do gravitate toward olive because it just looks really good on me. Something that I have recently discovered and found out that I really like the way olive looks on my skin tone and looks on me. So I picked olive as one of my kind of out there colors. And lastly, I picked floral prints. I love floral prints. I love, and I've also picked animal prints. And floral is definitely predominant in my closet. It's definitely a print that I always go to, big floral. That's the range I picked. I'm very happy with it. I love the way it looks. Even in my closet, after I finish my closet, I love the way it looks. So we're just gonna jump right in and I'm just gonna show you a little bit and talk about what I did to my closet to kind of get where it is right now and where I love it and where I want to keep it. The first thing I did, like I said, I was going through and I was remembering my color scheme, and I wear a lot of dresses just because I wear like dresses to church all the time, and I just love wearing dresses. Like if I'm going out, I'm wearing a dress. If it's a special event, I'm wearing a dress, of course. But you know, even if I'm just going out with the girls, I'm the one that's always in a dress. I just love wearing dresses. So I basically tried to keep as many dresses as I could without going overboard. I kept all my black dresses, of course, because not only do I love them, they look really good on me and I love the color black. And then I started going through and picking out colors, the colors that aren't in my color scheme, just because they're not in my color scheme, and I'm really trying to stick to it because I feel like if I don't start out strict on my journey, I'm not going to keep to my parameters. And I just want it to be really sleek, really clean, and I want it to be easy when I go into the closet to pick what I want to wear. I also was pulling out things that like were damaged, like if I saw something that had like a mark on it or had a tear, like I put those things out. And now I also had a lot of African print items because my husband actually goes to Africa every year on a missions trip, so he's brought me back things. My in-laws have brought me back things, and my dad has a friend who's from Africa who gets things made. So like I have a lot of African print things. So I did not throw any of those things away, but I wanted them out of my wardrobe because they're just not everyday items for me, and they're not items that I'm going to be reaching for often. So what I did with those, and I put them in a tote. I only have a few cardigans, so that really wasn't hard. I pretty much kept all of those. I got to like, I have like my chef jackets in there. Of course I keep those. And lastly, I went through like my tops. So a couple of the tops I had were like damaged, you know, even though they were in my color scheme, they were damaged. So I really don't need to keep those. Also some tops, like I have just, you know, for the same business reason, like they look good with the trousers. So I could wear that as a business combo, you know, a business outfit. So I put those in the tote, of course. And then also there were just some items that just weren't in my color scheme. So I threw those away or put them in the donation bag. That's pretty much it, how I decluttered my closet. I'm really happy with the results. Like literally, this is what I wore this morning. I'll show you a little clip. And I love the fact that I literally went into my closet and it took me 2 minutes to grab something. I grabbed a top, I grabbed a skirt, and I was like, boom, like I'm out. And that was an amazing feeling. Every time I go into my closet, first of all, and I see how clear it is, that excites me. I get happy about that. And then I can go in there and I know what's in there. I know what I can grab, and I know everything in there that I love, and it's going to look good on me, and I can pair it really well with what's in there. So that was super important to me. So my closet is finito, baby. It's done. So done. I'm so happy. I'm so happy it's finished. If you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to see more minimalist videos, I'm definitely going to enjoy filming them, because I want to film this process and this journey and just see my growth in person, on video, film. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you thumbs it up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or tips for me. I love tips. And let me know if you're going to join this journey as well, this movement. I would love to hear from you and the things that you're doing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.